Hey everyone, Technomancer here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Compass on an Android phone. So let's get started. So if you have an Android phone, most likely there is no app that has Compass on it. So what you need to do is download an app from the Play Store in order to be able to use a Compass. So if you go to the Play Store, of course, make sure you're connected to the internet and you're signed into your account. And then from there, you're going to go to search page, and then the search page, just search up Compass. So once you search up Compass, one of the popular ones you're going to probably see is Digital Compass here. As you can see, it has 50 million downloads. Of course, you can use other ones as well. There's quite a few here. Some are paid, some are free, depending on what you're looking for. So this one, for example, I'm going to show you just so it happens to be one of the top ones, and it is free for use certain aspects. So we're going to go ahead and download it. Now, once you download and install it, you're going to go ahead and find it in your app library. Here you go, and I have it, and I can start using it as option. There's a couple settings you can also adjust as well, but this will give you, as you can see here, the Compass setting right directly on your Android phone, just like that. So that's how I use it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.